Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor, and we'll have more rounds of seeing some showers and even some thunderstorms over the next 24 hours. But we'll get some dry time as well, so it's not going to be a complete washout for Father's Day, but you're going to want to keep the umbrella handy. Here's a look at what's going on for the rest of this evening into tonight. We stay mostly cloudy. It's also going to be slightly cooler. We'll lose the humidity. There's a cold front which is triggering all the shower activity. That will eventually push through the area, which will lower the humidity, and in return will also lower our overnight low temps. So we'll have a overnight and a morning start for Sunday in the 50s. Once we get to the afternoon, we'll get a few peaks of sunshine here or there. There is still going to be that chance of seeing some rain, but it does not look like it's going to rain all day. I'm thinking we could actually squeeze out a decent, not a perfect, but a decent Sunday for you to close out the work week or the weekend. Well, once we get into the work week, the clouds will return. We'll warm up a little bit. Temperatures go right back into the 70s, and there's still going to be at least that chance of seeing some rain or maybe even a thunderstorm on Monday. It's not going to be widespread, but we'll have that chance until things finally settle down. Once we get into your Tuesday. So 55 for tonight, showers and thunderstorms possible until the cold front finally clears the area. We are expecting that to happen sometime tonight, but into the day tomorrow it will stall out around us. That keeps us in play for more clouds and rain. High temp of around 73 for Father's Day. And just looking ahead here, a slight chance of a storm on Monday. We'll get some dry time Tuesday and the good portion of Wednesday. But then Wednesday night into Thursday, more rain looks likely. First day of summer looks dry, but the first weekend of summer looks like we'll have more showers and thunderstorms on the horizon with temps in the 80s. And thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Hallie for your Sunday morning.